Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can apply faulty freeze effects to your video in CapCut. So the faulty freeze is now trending on CapCut and you can find it on the video effect. Here on the trending, if you scroll down, you'll find fault freeze effect, but this effect is under the retro category. So if you cannot find on the trending, you can just find the retro, and here is the fault freeze effect, and to apply it you can just click on the effect. Here, if you want, you can also adjust the effect. You can adjust the blur, speed, intensity, filter, and also atmosphere. I'm going to lower the filter and also the atmosphere, and after that you can just click on a check icon and adjust the length of the effect. And here is the fault freeze effect for your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.